Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to hide apps on OnePlus 9. Firstly, go into settings, now scroll a bit down and go into security and privacy, scroll to the bottom and tap on hide apps. Now we have to set up a privacy password, so just tap on settings. I'm going to choose a pattern type. Okay, now I have to set up a security question. Let's choose father's name and it's going to be something. Now tap on this icon in the right corner. Now we will have to set up an access code, so just tap on any of the apps and tap on settings. Now type in the access code that you will need to provide every time that you will like to access the hidden apps. So it has to begin and then with a hash and has to contain from 1 to 16 digits, so I will set up just something simple. Of course you can do something more complicated, but let me just go with this. And after you set up your access code, just tap on this icon in the right corner and tap on done. Now I will select the apps like community, games and Google News, or maybe called podcast, and they're hidden. So now if I would like to search for community, let's say, can be found. What all those games and Google News games. Nope. Google. No. So now to access the hidden folder, we will have to go into Phones app, go and tap on the dial, and now type in your access code. And here are our hidden apps. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.